Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. This is Mr. Allen. We are starting day one of distance learning today. So, a couple things that I wanted to do with you guys. First, I just want to walk through kind of everything that's going on, so make sure you're not too stressed out. So, we'll just start over here. Now, this is going to be recorded, so it means that you can go back at any time and access anything you missed. This will be posted in Google Classroom. Um, yeah, so we're just going to get started. That's the Pear Deck code. We'll get back to that later. That is going to be easy to find for you guys, so don't stress about it. Okay, so first of all, welcome back. I'm really, really glad to be back at work and be back teaching you all. I missed you. Hope you guys are doing, everybody's safe and doing well. So happy that everybody's back. All right, now here's the one I was concerned about. If you're feeling stressed right now, not learning, not in a classroom, doing it on the computer, if this is weird, you're not alone. This is how everybody's feeling right now. So don't stress. We're going to figure it out together. Okay, so let's get to the parts that you guys are, I'm sure, most concerned about, which are class times and grades. Our class is going to meet from noon to 1 every Tuesday. I will have office hours immediately following class from 1 to 2 every Tuesday. Your other classes should have sent you out times. If you are not sure when any of that is, please contact your teacher, but also you can click on this link right here and it will take you to what is kind of what the schedule looks like right now. And again, you can click on this link in Pear Deck, or you can just look through it right here, and it's a video, so you can always go back. All right, so now that we've done that, all this stuff, as always, is going to be available in Google Classroom. If you miss class or my office hours for any reason, everything's going to be recorded and available on Google Classroom. And you can contact me for anything. You can email me, you can call me, you can message through Google Classroom. My info is on this slide right below here. There's my email address. There is my phone number. You can call or text that. I'm available 8 to 3 Monday through Friday, but if you can text, you can email, leave a message at any time. The school phone number is underneath there as well. Those are all ways that you can get in contact with us during this time. All right, excellent. Okay, so now that we know kind of when class is going to take place, what's class going to look like and how are grades going to look? Because I know a lot of you are concerned about grades with you being 8th graders and graduation and stuff. So the district's official grading guidelines are posted in Google Classroom along with this agenda and all the other important links that you need. Our class is going to be really similar to what we've always been in terms of schedule and activities and things like that. The only difference is sometimes you're going to have a baby or maybe a brother or a sister or somebody jump into class with you. Now, that wouldn't ordinarily happen. Sure. But if that happens, we're going to understand we're all dealing with something very different, and it's okay. All right. So, no matter what happens, let's go back to that previous one. Do not stress. We're going to figure it out together, okay? All right. So, here's our agenda for the day. I'm going to start with a quick write. Now, it's really important. All of this stuff is posted in Google Classroom. It's all together, okay? And it's all, and if you, for whatever reason, have this on paper, it's going to be on that as well. So we're going to go over quick write. We are going to look over our vocab words for the week. We have some video questions we're going to do, and then we're going to read and annotate the article. That's what you're going to do this week. Couple things that are not due yet but are coming up. You're going to begin a personal narrative. Now, that was an assignment we already did last week, and if you finished it, great. If you haven't finished it, haven't started it, start working on it. And then By the time that we meet next time, I want you to have completed Catching Fire Chapter 18. If you there's a audio copy and a PDF on Google Classroom, but if you need a copy of the book, you could contact me. Any of those work, or you can contact school and let them know that you would like a copy of the book Catching Fire. All right. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so I wanted to start this week with a theme of reflection and advice. So, what I want you to do, and here's going to be your writing assignment, write a letter offering advice to a fifth grader who's going to be attending CK for the first time next year. Use your own experiences and things that have helped you, that you have learned to help guide them. So basically, there's going to be a fifth grader right now who's going to be here at CK next year. So think about when you were a sixth grader, think about all the things you went through. What advice would you give them about being a sixth grader at CK Price? Okay, that's going to take about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going with the lesson, but at this point, if you're watching this on the video, just pause, take 10 minutes, and write this down and write your answers. All right. Now, the next thing we're going to do is our vocab list. This is also posted in Google Classroom. Should be right underneath. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be filling out. This, by the way, is where you're going to complete all your work. And you're just going to fill in whatever's missing. That could be the definition. It could be the word, any of those things. That's all we're going to do for the vocab list this week. Okay, so what we're going to do now is this noon today, we held our live class where we went through the vocab list in a Kahoot. We went through the video questions. We went through the Pear Deck, and we talked about the article and did a little bit of annotation. We talked about what the plan is for the personal narrative. And finally, completing Catching Fire, completing Catching Fire Chapter 18, I want by the next section. If you missed any of that, I'm going to post the recording at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. So it should be on Google Classroom by 2 o'clock on Tuesday, and you'll be able to see the entire lesson. If for some reason you're not able to access any of that, you're actually going to be able to do all of these on your own. The video questions are posted. The Kahoot link is posted. The article's posted. You have the book and the personal narrative. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.